Hello guys, this is me Muhammad Shoaib, and today in this lesson I will show you how you can completely uninstall WordPress while using XAMPP Localhost. For that, first we need to uninstall their database where we have linked our WordPress and XAMPP. For that, let's go to XAMPP control panel, and here in front of my SQL, go to the option of admin, click, and here they will direct you to the PHP my admin. So it's loading, it may take some time. Here the PHP my admin is, so all you need to do here is to go databases, and here uninstall the database where you have linked your WordPress to. As in my case I have linked it to WordPress named database, so just check it and click on drop, and again click drop. So we have successfully uninstalled the database which we have linked to WordPress. So if you now go back to WordPress and refresh the page, you will see that they says that cannot connect to database, mean its database has been successfully uninstalled. It's confirming that. Now to uninstall from your computer as well, you need to go to my computer by clicking this, and now go to local disk C where your XAMPP folder is, and click on XAMPP, and now go to htdocs, and here this is the folder of WordPress. All you need to do is just to right click on it and then go to delete option, and it will completely be deleted from your computer. So here now if you go back to your WordPress and refresh the page, it will say not found, mean you have successfully uninstalled your WordPress site